Shri Krishna Pranama. He Krishna Karuna Sindho. He Krishna Karuna Sindho. Krishna Karuna Sindho. Not Karuna. Most of devotees from the West, they would say Karuna. What's your name? Karuna Sindhu Krishna. So never. Karuna Sindhu. Okay? Karuna Sindhu. In Sanskrit, always long vowels will take the emphasis. They will be emphasized. They are long. Sindho. Karuna Sindho. Sindho. Hang on those syllables. They are also heavy. Dina Bandho Jagatpate. Dina Bandho Jagatpate. Gopesha Gopika Kanta. Gopesha Gopika Kanta. I'm just following the vowels here, okay? O, E are always long. And next is Radha Kanta Namostute. Radha Kanta. Follow, observe every long vowel and you'll never go wrong. Radha Kanta Namostute. Don't just omit it, skip it, neglect it. Radha Kanta. No. Radha Kanta Namostute. Pay attention to all those small things which are not so small actually. Alright, next, Madana Mohana. Jayatang Suratau Pangor. Jayatang Suratau Pangor. Jayatang. I do not close my lips, it's an Anusvara. Suratau Pangor. Mama Manda Mater Gati. Again, many devotees, they kind of replicate the same structure, pattern, rhythmical pattern from the previous line, and then Mamam, Manda Mater Gati. It's not Mama, it's Mama Manda Mater Gati. The first word, Mama, both are short, and both are actually light syllables. So, Mama Manda Mater Gati. Mama Manda Mater Gati. Mat Sarvasva Padambho Jao. Mat Sarvasva Padambho Jao. So here, Mat Sarvasva. 3 heavy syllables in a row. Mat Sarvasva Padambho Jao. Radha Madana Mohanao. Radha Madana Mohanao. Next verse is a little bit different. Longer lines, 11 syllables per meter. It's a different meter. It's called Shalini. And it's very heavy, especially because each line starts with 5 heavy syllables. I'll repeat again, even though you see short vowels, the syllable might be heavy. And here I am giving you a ready-made pattern and revealing to you which ones are heavy, which ones are light. All right, so Divyadvrindaranyakalpadrumadha. You heard it. All heavy. Divyadvrindaranyakalpadrumadha. Of course, later on, some light syllables come. But the thing is, about this specific meter, this specific shloka, is that the pattern repeats itself. So in that way, it's easy. These are the short ones, Anushtubh, which are kind of seen as the easiest, but actually they are the hardest to chant because the pattern varies from line to line. So, Shri Madratna Gara Singhasanastho. Shri Madratna, not Ratna. Ratna. Again, pause after R. Ratna Gara Singhasana, not Simhasana. Singha. You do not close your lips here. It's Anusvara. Singhasanastho. Sanastho. Before to, there is another slight pause. Okay. Third line. Shri Madradha Shri Lagovinda Devo. Shri Madradha Shri Lagovinda Devo. And Preshtali Bhi Sevyamano Smarami. Preshtha. Okay. Bending our tongue inward, lifting it. Preshtha. Ta. It's not ta, it's not tha, it's ta. Preshtali bhi. You can bhi breathe out, or even better, you can substitute that visarga with s. Preshtalibhisevyamano. This is another grammatical rule, the second level rule, but it's really nice to retain your breath. So preshtalibhisevyamano smarami. Okay, and Gopinatha Pranama. Shriman Rasarasarambhi. Shriman Rasarasarambhi. It's very important to keep short vowels short, never to prolong them. Vangshi Vatatatastitaha. And this is the hardest thing for many. Vatatata. Ta, ta, ta. Two different tas. First of all, the regular ta is actually, you need to touch your teeth. It's not the one in English, ta, like tree, t. You don't actually touch your teeth, but in Sanskrit you touch your teeth. Ta, and then ta is the one when you lift your tongue up and you touch that space ta above your upper teeth with the backside of the tip of your tongue. That's very technical, but anyway, just try it. So varta, ta, your tongue goes up. Varta, then goes back in front of your teeth. Ta. So we start from up. Varta, coming to the front, to your teeth. Ta. So vartatata, vartatata. Quite tricky. Karshan venusvanair gopir. Karshan venu, not venu, vernu, again, it's arna from the top there. Your tongue is bent inward. Venusvanair, Venus. You notice that I slightly extended that s to give the heavy syllable its heaviness, because this one is heavy. The nu is heavy. So Venus, but I don't say Venus vanair gopir. That's wrong. Gopinathashriyestunaha. Gopinathashriyestunaha. You can also say Gopinathashriye and breathe it out, but I prefer Gopinathashriyestunaha. Alright, and Radha Pranama. Tapta kāñcana gaurangi. Tapta kāñcana gaurangi. Tapta. Pause after ta. Tapta. Radhe Vrindavaneshwari. Radhe Vrindavaneshwari. Heavy syllables in the beginning, okay? Then next. Vrishabhanusute Devi. Vrishabhanusute Devi. Don't fall into this kind of automatic rhythmical chanting, which I hear very often. Vrishabhanusute. There is no long u. Come on. Vrishabhanusute. They're short. Run through them unless they're heavy. How do you know? I tell you. So, Vrishabhanusute Devi. Pranamami Hari Priye. Not pranamami. There is another word, pranama, and that has na long, but this one is a verb, and na here is short. Pranamami Hari Priye. Prana. Again, another na from the top. It's not a regular na. Pranamami. Pranamami Hari Priye. All right, and followed by Panchatattva mantra and Hare Krishna Maha mantra, for which we have separate tutorials, so go to those tutorials to learn them. And yes, this was Maṅgalācaraṇa. Just another thing that I forgot in the beginning, Maṅgalācaraṇa. It's not Maṅgalācaraṇa, it's not Maṅgalācaraṇa, it's Maṅgalācaraṇa. There is only one long A, all others are short, so don't go into that weird way of pronouncing the title of this set of prayers. It's Maṅgalācaraṇa, charana, that upper na. So this was great. I am enjoying sharing what I've learned for the 2 decades I spent very closely, professionally with Sanskrit. And yeah, I'm really appreciating the attention that you're giving and time. And I hope that by practicing these tutorials and listening to my demos, in this course, your pronunciation will improve, and you pass on this knowledge and share this course in your community, in your temple, in your namahatta, in your center, whatever. Just pass it on, share it. It's long overdue that such Sanskrit training for basic ISKCON prayers should be there in ISKCON as a standard course to all devotees from the very beginning. So I'm happy to have filled that empty spot with these classes and demos. Thank you. Let's proceed to the next Gurvashtaka tutorial. Hare Krishna.